you or your family develop some bad cleaning habits? It's time to break them and move forward with efficient ones. Welcome to Jensen's DIY, and here are 15 bad cleaning habits you need to stop. 1. Leaving wet towels bunched up. Actually, it is not just wet towel. The same thing can be said for shower curtains. If you really want to spend less time doing laundry, you should stop this habit of leaving wet towels and shower curtains bunched up. Otherwise, you will only encourage the growth of mildew. 2. Allowing paper clutter to accumulate. From mails to paper bills, you often see yourself a piling of them. But instead of doing something, you just leave them there. As a result, there is a mountain of useless papers. Do not let this kind of thing happen. Destroy them using a shredder or simply put them in the trash. It is that simple anyway. 3. Cleaning using dirty tools. Seriously, you are not doing any good here. How can you really expect a satisfactory result if you are cleaning using dirty tools? If you think your washer needs some cleaning, then do it before reusing it. If your mop is already dirty, wash it up before reusing it. It would not take much of your time, and at the same time, you will be doing yourself a huge favor. 4. Using too much cleaning product. There really is no need to use a lot of cleaning product. In fact, even a lesser quantity is enough to do the work, so you could save money and there is no need to buy more just so you can accommodate the need. 5. Leaving dirty dishes in the sink. Everyone's guilty when it comes to this one. How much longer do the dishes have to wait before you decide to wash them? If you are able to do so immediately, do it. Leaving them in the sink will pave the way for bacteria to grow. 6. Using one disinfectant wipe the entire bathroom. Yes, this one here is absolutely wrong. Disposable disinfectant wipes are perfect, but only for a quick clean down. You need to stop using it again and again, especially if you are cleaning the bathroom. As much as possible, use a lot more. 7. Wearing shoes inside the house. If you want to save some time vacuuming, stop wearing shoes inside the house. It is a great way to prevent the growth of germs or bacteria, so leave them in the entryway or shoe rack. That is pretty much a solution. 8. Leaving the bed unmade. Regardless of your room being clean and neat, it's never good to leave your bed unmade. After waking up, take some time to make the bed. It is not a huge thing to do, plus it helps keep things organized. 9. Hoarding food in the refrigerator. If you or your other family members hate leftovers, then stop leaving food in the fridge. Don't bother to stash them, especially if you do not plan to eat them later on. Improperly storing food in the refrigerator will help promote germ and bacteria growth. 10. Not storing cleaning products correctly. Are you usually having a hard time finding the right cleaning tool or product? Do you often find yourself getting impatient because the baking soda is nowhere to be found? Then stop storing them incorrectly. Consider organizing all your cleaning products or tools for easy access. 11. Not reading directions. A lot of people love to do this, and then they try to use a cleaning product only to find out that nothing is working. Why? That is because they did not bother to read the directions. Do yourself a favor and start reading the directions before using the product. 12. Dusting while cleaning. Just like using dirty tools for cleaning, this one here shares the same idea. If you want to save time, try dusting before you start vacuuming. And if you are going to clean a room or any area in the house, start from the top going down. 13. Wait until the cleaning job is just too much. This one here is all about being lazy. In some cases, you just feel like leaving the cleaning task for tomorrow. The next thing you know, you are unable to do so because of work or something else. If you can do it now, do it. 14. Not completing tasks. Let's say you have decided to organize the entire closet, but at some point you decided to stop. Hence, a part of the closet remains cluttered. This is unacceptable and, in fact, does not promote healthy cleaning habit. 15. Using harsh cleaners. Do not be fooled by advertisements saying that this cleaning product is harsher or more capable than the other. There is no need to. Besides, using a harsh one is not good. You can do more harm than good, like stripping your countertops beauty and whatnot. And that's all for now. What do you think about this episode? Please share your thoughts about this video in the comment section. For more cleaning ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.